So this is April's tuner crate. Alright, so we got In Boost We Trust. On the front we got a nice little 240. On this side we got tuner crate. On the back side we got Toyo tires. Then we got Toyo tires again. And yeah, that's a pretty nice whip right there. Now let's get started. Alright, so we got 5 options for this box. We got the basic, which is $13.99 plus shipping. We got the standard, which is $21.99 plus shipping. We got the premium, which is $46.99 plus shipping. We got the mystery, which is $50.99 plus shipping. And then we got the tuner girl, which is $40.99 plus shipping. Alright, so this box, the one I'm showing you right now, is the $46.99 one, the premium edition. I ended up going with the JDM version. They do have different options when you pick the box. They have JDM, Euro, or Muscle, or if you want all of them, they do have that option. I'm guessing they pick stuff from those categories and put them in the box. Alright, so I will show you guys in detail at the end each of the things. Let's start off with this box, and inside we have a tire cup. Some tires. This is the cup. Pretty dope container for a cup. Show you the shirt. I'm gonna show you this last. I have Boost issues. Might be a face mask or a bandana. We'll check right now when we open it up. Tuner crate waterless car wash. Got a face mask. Looks like a lanyard. We got a little Civic pin made out of some wood. Another In Boost We Trust sticker. Looks like a coaster. In Boost We Trust. It's made out of wood. Another wooden pin. Looks like to be a Lamborghini. We got a Beamer, another wooden pin, SEMA Ignited tuner crate pin, Boosted Lifestyle sticker, Low and Slow sticker, got a Maguire's sticker, little guy trying to save his fuel, plus 10 horsepower, we got air freshener with a GTR on the front, LA on it, and a Subaru in the back. We got a Corvette, the Fast and Furious Mitsubishi Lancer. Whatever this is. And the best for last is the big sticker. We got that GTR, so that Skyline. I'm gonna put in this on my toolbox. This is pretty dope. Alright, so I'm gonna show you each thing individually, a little bit closer and in more detail, so let's get it. And here's the bandana. I did open it up so that way I can show you guys. Formula Drift. Now this is pretty dope. Let me show you the other side. Formula Drift. Tuna crate. Here we have the custom pins made by Tuner Crate. You got the Beamer right there. We got the Civic. We got the Lamborghini. And then we got the SEMA Ignited Tuner Crate pin. We got the GTRs, we got the R32 right up there, R34 front right there. Now it's pretty big, it's about a regular paper size, and it is a sticker. So like I said, I'm gonna end up putting this on my toolbox. And last, we have the t-shirt, which is all black, same as the box logo. In Boost we trust. Alright, so out of all the things I got in the box, my favorite thing is this tire cup. I think it's pretty cool, pretty unique. I'm not gonna really use it as a cup just because it doesn't hold that much in liquid. I'm gonna end up just putting it on display with all my other collectibles that I've gotten. Second thing I liked was these wooden pins. Favorite one was Honda though.